Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have a website hosting service which charges businesses a one-time setup fee of $350 plus D dollars for each month. So plus D times the number of months. So this is the total charge for the hosting, right? So if you had, you were running it for 4 months, you'd have 350 plus D times 4. 5 months, D times 5. Each time you go up 1, you add another D, which makes sense since that's the monthly rate. And we're told that an owner paid $1,010 for 12 months. So the total is equal to 350 plus D times the number of months. And we're told that 1,010, keeping 350 plus D, times 12 months, right? So this is the general total for any number of months. And we're told that the total specifically for 12 months, so plugging in 12 here, is 1,010. And we now have an equation where we can solve for D. So subtracting 350 from both sides causes these to cancel. And on this side, we have 660 is equal to D times 12 is 12D. Getting D on its own, we divide both sides by 12. Again, these cancel. We get D is equal to 660 divided by 12, which is, doing the division out here, since this is the no calculator section, 55. So the value of D, if the owner paid $1,000 and 10 for the first 12 months, is 55, which means D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.